Today we're going to be playing Avalanche. If you don't know what this game is, it's a game called Avalanche where you have to dodge stuff like in the picture. Then let's play. Okay. Start. I just joined. Like, what is this dog doing? Oh yeah, the round just started. So I'll cut this out. Nothing so far. One minute's remaining now, so I'll just do something for a little while. Go get a snack. Maybe some Chips Ahoy. Yeah, maybe some Chips Ahoy on my hand. I just twisted my hand. Okay, I'm gonna cut this out. 58 minutes remaining. So 54, 53, 52, 51, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 30, 39, 30, 38, 30, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 16, 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this is it now. Oh no! Oh, it's just the king! Can't judge me with my skills. I know how to play this game, and I'm very good at it. I just have one technique that I can do. So let's go. Actually, I have two techniques. Stay to the walls and also jump. See, he's already throwing. Of course, it's the back tactic. Don't jump when you see something flying above you. I'm just gonna do the zoomed in. The backpack really bothers me. Oh gosh! Oh heck no, it's a square. Squares, I'm scared of squares. Oh gosh, I'm so lucky that I stick to the walls. I'm very lucky. How did I get to the top so quick? I'm showing you how I got to the top. No. How did I get hit already? I just got flung off. Oh, no. Sent to the back rooms. Come on, hit this kid. He's the easiest target. Stupid block. I hate blocks. Oh! I almost hit him. But please, just hit this kid. I'm begging you. I'm begging. You hear the resemblance of bacon? I'm begging. I'm begging. Yes. I'm begging. I am here. You can't stop me because I'm here. I showed you that I can finish. Now, where's my achievement? This is not my first time playing. Let me out of here. I can't leave. I'm begging. Hold up. I'm just gonna leave right now and just equip a couple of stuff. I'm gonna disequip this backpack. Then just equip something different. Classic shorts. could I put this on? Not distracted. It's just nice and fancy. Oh, that looks nice. I want the see-through glasses. Yeah, these look nice. Wait, I forgot. Oh wait, I'm gonna cut this off. I am here and I can make my own private server. And if you guys want to join me, just join my server. Also when you're purchasing robots, use star code noob. Oh, I didn't want to play by myself. I played it on accident. Accidents happen. I'll play with these dorks just because they don't know how to put a private server. Oh my, level 9? I thought it was 7 last time. Yeah, nothing's distracting at all. That's best. Or, hey, yo, why am I there? I'm begging. Up. You know what? I'm just gonna leave. I'm gonna play this boat game. Actually, no. If you guys want to see me play Jenga, yeah, we can do that. I'm gonna play right now. I don't need your guys' opinions in the freaking comments. Yeah. I don't need your opinions. You ding dong. Where's the dude? Hamburger. What is he? A coconut? Coconut. Oh, I know this guy. He's from the show that, yeah, Stan, and I don't know his other name. All I know, he has Stan. I know Eric Cartman, Stan, and Kenny. Those are the only 3 characters I know. Comment down below if you can tell me what the guy in the green hat is. Or did I say his name? I don't know. Oh, this is so boring. Okay, guys, now we can start the video. That was a long cut. I'm just gonna wait here. What? Cool. Why is this furry saying cool? No furries in my chat. No. Oh, come on. Go. I'm saying go. Wow. Just go. Game over. I don't freaking care because this game doesn't even go. She doesn't even know what to do because she's so dumb. People with glasses are really smart, like my brother. Comment down below if you know what 1 times 10 is. One more. I am not risking it for 10 biscuits. Yeah, whoever's doing that, they're dumb. Dum. Oh! Okay. Hashtag, okay. Oh! Oh, this is still Kenny. Just hurry, bro. Of course. Oh! Oh! I'm going down. I'm going down. Well, number 1 in the Victoria. Oh, I'm scared. Why is he hitting me? Oh, I just blocked it with my own body. Oh my God. Waiting for these noobs to get out. Yeah. Oh. There used to be 10, but now there's 9. Chicken fat, nugget, chicken fat, nugget, chicken fat, nugget, chicken fat, nugget, chicken fat, nugget. I'm cutting this because this is going to be a long video if we cut it all, because it'll be shorter if we put cuts in the video. And if this person doesn't even get enough speed, she won't be able to miss. She will be able to miss a lot. Ah, my neck, my throat. Don't tell me this fat potato's still in this. Yeah, it is. Yeah, this fat potato is still in. Where's this fat potato at? Where's the fat potato at? Where's the fat potato at? Oh, the fat potato. Oh, looks like we meet again, poo color. We meet again, poo color. Okay, coconut fathead. If you go back, then you won't be knowing what's coming. You don't know what's coming. I just sacrificed myself for no reason. I am just so dumb. I'm just so dumb. This is what's inside my forehead. I'm dumb. My brain's the size of a tiniest pea in your life. Oh wait, I can see who's it. Like this. I know it's a she. Guess how? Because I saw it's a she. Booger, booger, home, booger, home, booger, home, booger in your duck. I'm not gonna say the N-word. No cachacachino, no cachacachino. I'm cutting this out because it's gonna be too long. I was so dumb. I was AFK for a whole round. Oh, there's only 2 people remaining. No. Ah, my arm. I twisted my arm. My arm. Wait, did you realize if you can't even move your hand if you keep it still, but you can move your hand if you move your arm? Isn't that weird? First, it doesn't have joints, but now it does. You did this to me. What'd she even throw? What's that? Oh, that's just lovely. People pizza. I was just having a conversation with my brother. I don't freaking care if I'm singing though. It's just my specialty and my M-I-G, M-I-W, M-I-W-D-T. I don't care if I get a truck. I'm just caring if I get a life. I don't care, I don't really care. I'm just applying for a new. I'm just applying for a new day. Hey, I'm dead. I am so dead. Yeah, this song is definitely not copyrighted. Do you want to see my dog? My dog's here. This is my dog. Yeah, that's my dog. You want to say hi to Teddy? My dog's named Teddy. Teddy, look up. He doesn't even know how to roll. So, this is the inside my head. Ooh. Origami dick. Origami chicken. Chicken. Oh my gosh, I don't want this video to be 30 minutes long. So, bye. Peace out. I hope you have a good day. Bye, little cookies.